how we doing? The lighting is good. Lighting's good. A little bit yellow on screen right here, but we could fix that. You guys are good right there. Autofocus working. All right, let's get it. 3, 2, 1, blam! What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and in today's video I'm gonna do something a little bit different. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you probably already know how I edit my videos, and there are a bunch of cuts in there. I do the choppity chops, I do the splittity splits, and the reason I do that is because I'm not the best YouTuber. Like, I'm not the most comfortable speaking on camera, and I've been doing this for, I want to say, over 10 years. So I get my words mixed up. I kind of forget what I want to say, and I just jumble things. So what I'm gonna do here is a one-take video, and if I'm able to do it, man, y'all need to hit that like button, subscribe if it's your first time watching this video. I don't know how you found it, but you guys did. So you're here for a reason. Hit the subscribe button and enjoy this video right here. So in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a pair of shoes that I got rid of a while back, and these were one of my first Air Jordans. I think my very first Jordan in this specific model. So this one means a crazy amount to me. I ended up selling this pair, shoot, I think I sold this pair maybe 4 or 5 years ago. So it's been a minute since I've seen these things, and to find them in good condition is extremely difficult. So today's video, we're going to be taking a look at that, and I got this pair off of eBay. I'm telling you guys, eBay is the go-to place to buy used sneakers for crazy deals. You can find so many gems on there. I'm just tired of paying stupid prices for shoes. I'm paying like $300, to be honest with you guys. Anything over that has to be like crazy heat that I've been wanting for a very long time, but that is not likely because I usually, you know, I'm very good about buying sneakers. But anyways, we're gonna take a look at these things. Let's see what we got here today. I wonder what you guys think I'm unboxing. Keep in mind, one of my very first Jordans. If I could find the Instagram post for it, I will throw it on the screen when the time is right. Ooh. I'm hoping they're everything that I think they are, because sometimes, you know, pictures don't do them justice. And you know it's an older release when you see this box right here. You see this? This is a nice box. Okay, we're off to a nice start here. Jordan Jumpman. Woo! Guys, I haven't been this excited in so freaking long. Look at the dust on this thing. You guys see it? Probably not. Okay. Should I show you the tag? No, I'm not showing you the tag. You guys gonna take a look at it first, and then I'll go ahead and take a look at it. Look at it. I'll take a look at it. Oh, are they beautiful? Are they beautiful? Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my gosh. All right, let me break this down for y'all right here. So for everyone that, all right, that caught me off guard a little bit. We'll talk about it. For everyone that doesn't know what these are the Air Jordan Oreo 6s. One of my very first Jordan 6 colorways that I've ever purchased. I think this one is the first colorway that I ever purchased. Now, for some reason, this area right here is a little bit orange. But it's okay, we're gonna let that slide. The rest of the shoe though, I mean, look at this shoe. It's gorgeous, man. It's a very simple Jordan 6, of course. We have our white tumbled leather going all over the top of the shoe, black nubuck, and the Oreo speckled midsole. This thing is super clean, and back in the day when lace swaps were like super popular, I went ahead and threw the white cement 4 laces on here. They were like these gray laces with speckles on them, and I thought I was the coolest kid in school. So seeing this shoe definitely brings me back. I love sneakers like this. It just feels super nostalgic to see them again. Because at the time I was like saving my money like crazy, mowing lawns, doing all that crazy stuff, cleaning shoes to afford all of my sneakers. So something like this means a lot to me now because I can afford to bring them back and see them again, and that means the world to me. especially because I didn't grow up having all the money in the world. So this shoe is definitely sentimental to me, and I'm for sure gonna be wearing these. Now I'm gonna try figuring out this little icy sole situation right here, because that's bothering me a little bit. All right, so let's see if the other side has it. Oh, this side doesn't. This side doesn't. Let's get that comparison going. Blow. You see that? It's like he stepped in a little bit of pozole, or he had like a spaghetti stain. Something was going on that day. Don't know what it is, but hopefully my man Sal the sneakerhead could come through and ice these babies up. They're pretty icy, little yellow, but for the age, I think these are looking really nice. So I forget what year these came out. Let's see. Let's take a look. 2009. So 2009, I was a freshman in high school. Whoa. I was transitioning from my gamer head phase to the sneakerhead phase. Wow. I was young. What is it now? It's 2021. 2009. What's the math on that? Somebody do the math on that. I was young, all right? Stupid young. But damn, these things are beauties. Straight up beauties. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say anymore about these. Like, there's nothing more I can say. Probably the price that I got them for. I think I got these for... I think I got them for around $180, which is pretty good. Because this pair, like I said, is super hard to find in decent condition. And the way that these things are, it looks like they've been worn a few times. And, you know, the aging is doing the rest to them. But look at the insole. Still has the Jordan Jump, man. That's how you could tell if it's been rocked a ton. And obviously, these things look great. So let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Do you like it? Do you mess with it? I feel like a lot of people don't really know about this colorway right here. I flew under the radar of a bunch of people, and this is just definitely a sleeper Jordan 6 that I will always appreciate. This shoe right here and the Lakers 6s. And wow, I'm doing pretty good for this one take, huh? I did have a couple slip-ups. I'm not gonna lie, I did have a couple slip-ups, but this is a pretty good one take. We're about, what, 10 minutes in? Damn, Alex! Woo! That makes me feel good. All right. Anyways, y'all, just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna have a bunch of dope tutorials coming your way very, very soon. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. And once again, don't forget to hit the like button. I really went out of my comfort zone to do this video right here. Even though it might not seem like a lot, I want you guys to try this. Try talking to yourself, looking at a camera for 10 minutes. That's basically what I just did. So, catch you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. Y'all are beautiful. Stay blessed. And today is Chinese New Year, so Gong Hee Fat Choi. Happy New Year. Hope everybody's blessed out there. And I'll catch you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.